Baguio Tourism Council, Ms. Gladys Vergara.
Joining her is Mr. Chad Dizon, also of Baguio Tourism Council.
We also acknowledge the presence of Ms. Rebecca T. Mamba of the Apayao Tourism Officer.
From Benguet, we have Eliasar Carias.
On behalf of our Honorable Congressman Marco, we've got Madam Solita Go joining us this afternoon.
Mercesa Nasan Bauco, Tourism Officer. Our regional directors.
We also acknowledge Attorney Cathy A. Olaño of the Civil Service Commission, CAR.
Ms. Belia Marie Sison of Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development.
Dr. Alan R. Lau, Department of Information and Communication Technology, Luzon, Cluster 1.
Department of Trade and Industry, Baguio Benguet Director, Felicitas Bandunil.
We also acknowledge Engineer Jean Borromeo of the Environmental Management Bureau.
We also have with us from Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, Daisy Bugalyol. Joining us also is the NCIP Director, Roland Calde, NBI Director, Eleanor Raquel Angeles, Commission on Human Rights, Regional Director, Romel Dagimol,